This video, we would like to share some of our LG dishwasher experience with YouTube friends. We bought this LG dishwasher more or less about 8 months ago. The first 4 months worked very well. About 3 months ago, it started to show when we push the power button. Then we push the start button. Then here start to show the number 4. Then start to count down from 4, 3, 2, 1. Then the dishwasher does not start. So it's kind of 4 seconds countdown. I watched YouTube, and so some friends suggested to rest the legs underneath there and there. Actually, I followed that suggestions several times. So still, this kind of error, or let's say 4 seconds countdown, comes and goes. Sometimes even the dishwasher can start, but then stop in the middle of washing. So it's really annoying. I called LG 1-800 number. They just sent a technician, came here, and the technician told me actually this unit here has some kind of issue. It's from manufacturer because it's not insulated well. So when you use a dishwasher, the steam comes into this unit, so then it generates some problem. So he just changed this unit for me, and let's see if it starts to wash dishes. Okay, power, it's good. We use normal, and in general here shows 2 hours 28 minutes. And if I push start, it used to be if I push start, this number shows 4, then count to 3, 2, 1, then back to this 228, then start to flush. This time, obvious it's different. You can see it's 228, so it stays still there. I'm sure it will go to 227, then it will actually start to wash dishes. Okay, friends, if you have the same problem, yeah, give a try. From others, the suggestion from others, try to rest the legs. Of course, you need to take the metal board off here, and then use a wrench to raise the 2 legs. If it still doesn't work, I would recommend you call LG service to change this board here. Okay, let's see if it goes to 227. Then if it goes, it should be fine. Actually, it start to already working normally, let's say. Okay, let's just give a few more seconds. Okay, it's 227. Okay, great. Thanks for watching.